Imagine two identical twins, separated at birth. One is raised in the fertile valleys of the Rhine, the other in the landlocked mountains of Central Asia. 30 years later, their lives look nothing alike. Is it talent? Is it effort? Or is it something much more permanent? Welcome to the Prime Variable. Today, we decode the geography of luck. Biologically, we are the same species we were 10,000 years ago. But biology is at the mercy of the environment. In the field of biogeography, we see how the availability of certain plants and animals, the variable, allowed some civilizations to explode while others remained stagnant. It wasn't superior intelligence, it was superior calories. History shows us that geography is destiny. Deep water ports create empires. Landlocked mountains create isolation. We often look at the great divergence between the East and West as a matter of culture, but psychology tells us that culture is often just a reaction to the terrain. When resources are scarce due to geography, psychology shifts toward survivalism and tribalism. Even in the digital age, your prime variable remains your location. Access to high-speed infrastructure, stable governance, and proximity to innovation hubs are the modern versions of fertile soil. We like to believe in the self-made man, but the data suggests that where you start the race determines where you finish. So, is your success your own, or are you just a product of your coordinates? The answer lies somewhere in the middle. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden patterns of our world, hit the like button and subscribe. I'm the Prime Variable, and I'll see you in the next discovery.